Hello friends, Assalamu alaikum. How are you? How to make money, the online platform, the digital marketing, total digital marketing. How to easy possible, very easy system, the how to make money on online Fiverr platform, the make money on online, very easy and simple way. I'm the total two marketplace. You are opening hand the Upwork marketplace, Upwork. This is the Upwork marketplace. Okay, the highly and trusted marketplace, Upwork marketplace. The two marketplace, very important marketplace. You are the earning for the digital marketing and social media marketing, total digital marketing, the how to make money of online platform. The digital, your search, the Upwork digital marketing. The lot of seller, the marketing and growth expert, the business development is the system, digital marketing strategy, search engine optimization, social media plugin, content creator design, the community, lot of service provider. This person is a $30 per hours. $49 digital marketing specialist, 200K US dollar earn the Upwork. Digital marketing, graphic design, content writing, advertising, lead generation, content creation, email marketing. $10 per hours, 90K use. This is the Upwork, the Facebook ad campaign, lead generation, social media SEO expert, digital marketing, SEO, social media marketing, digital marketing, data entry, or a lot of service. Our Fiverr, the very important part of Fiverr. I can search and digital marketing, digital marketing, digital marketing, digital marketing. The search on Fiverr marketplace, digital marketing. The total social media management and social media management categories, digital marketing, social media, and market plan. Digital marketing, build your brand, grow your business. Digital marketing is a slogan. Digital marketing, brand your business and grow your business. The most popular digital marketing work category, number one, SEO. I click open the SEO. Search engine optimization, the part of search engine optimization Fiverr categories, the page SEO and on page SEO, keyword research, technical SEO, complete analytic, voice SEO, full SEO package. Okay, the category of Fiverr marketplace, the digital marketing, the most popular category, number one, SEO, search engine optimization. The lot of worker, this top rated seller, pro seller, I am opening to seller. This seller, the offering, this seller is offering. I will build SEO link with the person with the black link with any SEO agency, SEO search service, and the premium is $702. 700 to 1668, $1,000. Calculating this, 720 into 167, $1,20,000 earn these gigs on offer on SEO search engine optimization. And this sellers is offer, I will do 10 hike authorized, do follow blog commenting and SEO backlink. A lot of seller this service available. But search engine optimization, search engine page of page keyword, you can this technique use the how to earn money on Fiverr marketplace. Lot of people this work and SEO marketing. The number two, this is very important and easy part, social media marketing. I opening the social media marketing, uh, this is the categories, the short listed of Fiverr suggest search engine optimization, SEO, search engine SME, local SEO, e-commerce, video SEO, and social media marketing, popular paid social media, influencer marketing, community and management. Okay. I open the social media marketing. The Fiverr suggests social media marketing, lot of categories. Number one, social media management, paid social media, organic social media promotion, profile setup integration, social media content, social media strategy, and analytics and technique. I can suggest and how to make money, earn money, and the very easy and simple work, and the social media management and organic social media promotion, profile setup and integration. So I can offer open the social media management, organic social media page app setup. The social media management, the number one, Facebook, number two, Instagram, number three, LinkedIn, number four, Twitter, number five, YouTube, number six, a lot of service, but you can target it one or two work is complete how to earn money on Fiverr marketplace. Number one, Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, Twitter, YouTube. Very present time is very earn money, the LinkedIn, Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, YouTube. The YouTube, click open the YouTube lot of service, the social media management, YouTube lot of service, do premium video promotion, gain in subscriber, etc., etc. You just try to him the Google ad campaign, the organic. I'll do organic YouTube promotion, Google ad campaign, Google ad campaign. Google ad campaign. I'll do YouTube promotion with the Google ad campaign, gain views. His offer, I'm a digital marketer and have more 10 years experience. Do with the channel throughout organic traffic, etc. Campaign, ad campaign, PPC. You will promote PPC, advertising campaign, Google AdWord, MCC, and targeted audience. Join the YouTube by views. The lot of service you can provide the social media marketing. So a lot of seller the sales, a lot of seller the sales, Fiverr marketplace, social media marketing, and organic social media promotion. Increase your social media followers, Instagram, Facebook, etc., etc. The present time, the how to make money, the social media platform, Facebook and Instagram, Twitter, YouTube, LinkedIn. Okay. The number three, video marketing, very important part of video marketing. Video marketing, video promotion and distribution, video SEO, and YouTube channel management, etc. Three side. I'll promote your video and more many case YouTube network and YouTube management. I'll do viral YouTube promotion. Lot of service as a seller and YouTubing management, video promotion and distribution. Same things, YouTube video SEO, on page SEO, off page SEO, and a lot of seller the how to lot of make money earn. And YouTube channel management, very important part. YouTube channel management, lot of seller YouTube channel management, how to make money on the Fiverr marketplace. Okay. And digital marketing. So friends, you can any work and any system uses how to make money, digital marketing and social media marketing. Then practice always the earn money and YouTube and social media marketing. uh, you have every days the make money, the lot of money, YouTube management and video marketing. I can again speak first time the digital marketing number one part, search engine optimization, number two, social media marketing, number three, method of technical analytic. This is suggest on Fiverr. Number one, search engine optimization. search engine optimization, and on-page SEO, off-page SEO, search engine, SME, local SEO, e-commerce, and videos SEO, social media marketing, paid marketing, influencer e-commerce, the video marketing, e-commerce, and guest posting, affiliate marketing. The social media marketing, a lot of earning source of online marketing. Social media management, paid social media distribution, social media management, Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, Twitter, YouTube, and view all social media platform. So Instagram, LinkedIn, Twitter, Pinterest, Snapchat, Reddit, Product Hunt, Geek, and Facebook, TikTok, YouTube, others, Discover, Twitch, thumbnail, etc., etc. Lot of provide the select social media platform guidelines of Fiverr market. I can request and suggest how to earn money, make money. You are the 2 or 3 skill: Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, and YouTube skill, how to make money. The lot of service sale these days in Instagram and Fiverr and Upwork market. Just you practice a lot of Upwork market. Okay. I can repeat in the digital marketing. What is the digital marketing? What is the digital marketing? What is a digital marketing? Digital marketing means using the digital channel like search engagement, social media, email marketing, mobile apps, and website promote product, service, thumbnail, including marketing using the digital platform and TVs, radios. Number one, search engine optimization, SEO, pay per click, PPC, social media marketing, content marketing, and lead marketing. Same things, digital marketing, thus explain in digital marketing. Digital marketing also clad in online marketing. This is the platform, brand and content, etc. etc. ফারাজ ভাই, আসসালামু আলাইকুম। জি ভাই, খাওয়া দাওয়া হয়েছে। আমি একটু এয়ারপোর্ট যাবো একটু পরে। ওই যে আমার একটা পার্সেল আছে, এটা একটু পৌঁছাই দিতে হবে। একজন কাস্টমার যাবে দুবাইতে। ও আচ্ছা আচ্ছা। আচ্ছা, আল্লাহ হাফেজ। কাল আমি রোববারতে ফ্রি, কালকে একটু ডাক্তার কাছে যাবে ইনশাল্লাহ, রোববারতে একবার ফ্রি। হ্যাঁ, একটু কাজের চাপ আছে, ভিডিও রেকর্ড করতেছি। ওই যে আমাদের ক্লাস গুলা, ইংলিশ ভিডিও গুলা। তা আসেন আসেন, রুমে আসেন 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 আসেন। আমি প্রায় 7,000 না 10,000 ইনভেস্ট করেছি। হয়তো রেকর্ড করতে চাইছে, রেকর্ডটা স্টপ করে দিয়ে 2 মিনিট। না না, আমি যাই না। না না, আমিও রেকর্ড স্টপ করে দিয়েছি, রেকর্ড দিয়ে চলে গেছিলাম। আমার একটা এটা একটু লেহি, এগুলো সব আমি ওই মালগুলো ডুবাই দিব, যে কাপড় চোপড়, থ্রি পিস টি শার্ট ডুবাই বানাই। আমি এই জিনিসটা কই গেল। আচ্ছা, এক কাজ করি, আমি থ্যাংক ইউ দিয়া ভিডিওটা স্টপ করে দিই। আমি 2 মিনিট থেকে আমি থ্যাংক ইউ দিয়ে দিই। আমরা দেখা যাবে না, অসুবিধা নেই। না না। So hello friends, thank you very much. The digital marketing, also called digital marketing, the platform is a very content used for a customer, potential customer. I can suggest the Fiverr marketplace how to make money, earn the social media marketing, the search engine optimization, video marketing. The lot of seller you have how to make money online the platform very easily earn this Upwork and Fiverr. Best of luck. You can practice then targeted customer and target audience and the validate market, the Fiverr and Upwork. You can start it to the joining now and how to make money. And thank you very much. Best of luck.